We are at the gym. This is day 1 of the 3rd week in this series. 3rd week, still going strong, and last week barely hit the minimum. I almost didn't train on that 3rd day, which was yesterday, but today, similar story. Almost didn't train. I finished work and then went straight home. You know, I wasn't gonna train, decided I wanted to rest until I checked my mail and my lifting straps arrived. So I got them in the bag and I'm ready to use them today, which is perfect timing because we're doing it back today. So before I get out there and train, just want to show you guys that I will be following a little bit of a program. This one's been done up by Jeff Cavalier over at athletenext.com, so shout out to Jeff. Been following him for years, ever since I was in high school, and I highly recommend all of his videos. This one was from one of his perfect workout videos for the back. So we're gonna get started now. Warm-up set and first deadlift set done. On the program we've got 2 minutes rest. Then we'll go and do our lat pull downs with the palms facing me. So the program actually says to do weighted chin-ups, but I can't even do my own body weight for a single chin-up. So we're going to go do the same thing on the lat pull down machine. And then after that, back to the deadlifts. Now I've finished 2 sets of deadlifts. All that's left is to do another set of the chin-ups using the lat pull down machine. So we've got 2 minutes to rest and we'll get back into it. For my next portion of the workout though, I'll be doing a heavier deadlift for 4 reps and then only 30 seconds until I move on to my wide grip lat pull downs. Deadlift, wide grip pull downs, deadlift, wide grip pull downs. Seems like we're running low on time again today. It is currently 7:30 and I still need to get through this whole workout. We've only just begun. So we're going to cut the rest short and get back into it. Cool, that part of the workout is done. That block is done. So now we are about halfway through. And we've got barbell dead rows next. So back with the last block, the deadlifts I was doing was 120. And I was supposed to go for 4, but I failed at 3 on the first set and then 2 on the second. Maybe I should have lightened the load so I could hit all 4 reps. But it is what it is for now. We'll improve on that next time. So next up is barbell dead rows. We will be aiming to hit 10 to 12 reps with 8 to 10 explosive ones. The time is now 7:38. Gym closes at 8. We've got just over 20 minutes to finish 4 different exercises. There was a yoga class going on in this room. The room I like to do my talking in. That class is over, everyone's out. So I can finally sit here and talk in a better environment instead of the toilet. That first set of barbell rows, we did 70 kilos, felt pretty good. And maybe we'll add 2 5s on each end just to make it 80. And that'll be our last set. Just doing one more set with the barbell rows because we're low on time. The program says that you should do 2 to 3 sets, taking it to 10 to 12 reps. But today we're just going to do the 2 sets. All right, let's get back out there. That was the last set of the barbell rows. Now that that's done, next on the list is rocking pull downs. This one's where, well, you will see, but it's where you do a normal pull down until the very end. You favor one side by pulling down that extra bit on that one side. So we got 2 sets of that. Again, it's supposed to be 2 to 3, but obviously we're gonna go with 2 for today. And we're gonna take it to a 10 to 12 rep failure. We'll have to choose an appropriate weight for that. That weight was definitely a tad bit too heavy because towards the end of that set, I was only able to do partials instead of the full reps. But anyway, we got one more of those. Make it a bit lighter so we can get more reps out. Let's get right into it because we've got 15 minutes. All done with the rocking pull downs. Now what's next is a exercise that Jeff calls the hyper YW raises. I'll show you right now. I think I'm gonna go do this exercise on the machine outside because I'll need to anchor my feet and I can't anchor my feet on the ball. The idea is to do a back hyperextension and then a Y raise with the weights. That's 1 rep. Second rep, W raise. Alternating Ys and Ws while doing the hyperextensions in between. This is an exercise using light weights. The idea is to target the middle and lower traps, which are pretty weak muscles, so light weights are all I'll need. So that's the exercise. I was using 5 kilo weights in each hand. Didn't really feel the lower and middle traps working. So I might go grab a little bit of a heavier dumbbell, like a 6 or 7 kilo dumbbell for each hand, and then finish off our last set that we have to do, because I still want to go do my shrugs upper trap workout. It's gonna be a killer, that one. Hopefully I got time to show you, because there's only 5 minutes left to go. Let's get back out there. Alright, with this exercise, I'll be finally using my new wrist lifting straps. Yeah. The load I'm going to use is 100 kilos, so the structure of this exercise is to do 1 second hold, 1 rep, 1 second hold, then 2 second hold, 2 reps, all the way up to 10. And then if we're feeling good, or we probably don't have time. The idea was to go down to 1 again, but we won't have time for that. Alright. So since my grip is going to give out before I'm finished with the shrugs, I'm going to use the straps.
Yeah. So then you can keep going, but yeah.
Yeah. I watched how to use them on YouTube, but I'm not sure if I remember how to do it.
Yeah, I haven't used the straps actually, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
Oh well, we'll give it a go.
I think it's already 8, so sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
This won't take you long.
Yeah, that's the
I'll
one.
have to Google it because I've never used Google. I've never used it either. So.
All right.
Give that a go. Ooh-ah. Yeah, there we go. Jesus. Hold it.
2,
3, 4. Hold. Here's number 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Breathe. Good. 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift. Almost there. Woo.
So
That's hard.
I got 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. Because you're going to do the rep and then hold.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I'm allowed to rest if I fail.
Yeah.
And then pick it back up from where I left off.
Oh, so you can go to 8. Yeah, right.
So I got the 7, 8, 9, 10 left.
7, 8, 10. Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 3. Good. 8. 2. Jeez, that's hard. Oh my god.
8, 9, 10.
Almost there.
I'm gonna challenge myself to do the 9 and 10 without stopping. My legs are shaking.
Legs are shaking.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're right. You're allowed to let him down. Oh, geez, I'm like feeling more pain. 1 to go. You got 10?
Yeah.
And then you're done?
Yeah.
Last one. Jesus, so you're supposed to go up to 10 and then back down again.
Back down for whoever wants to do that.
Alright, last one. Almost there.
This is probably too much rest. I'm gonna do it without the straps.
Do you think the straps helped or?
I still need to figure them out.
Yeah.
But there was a set where I wasn't even gripping.
Ah, okay, so they did help then.
Yeah.
Well, because you'll get sweaty by the end as well, so
Yeah.
that grip is gonna fail. Alright, let's do it. You got 10. Go 1, 2.
The grip. Sorry about dropping it.
No, it's okay. You can drop. Well, get it.
At least there's no one around. All right, Jeff Cavalier's perfect back workout finished. A little bit rushed because it's already past 8. I was lucky enough. Thank you to Alicia. Working at the gym, staying past the closing time.
Had to see you get through to the end.
I hope I got my whole body in frame on those shrugs. I didn't even check and my phone screen went dim. Might be low battery or something, but yeah. If it's not in frame, then you won't see how sweaty my shoulders were. That's week 3, day 1 complete. Back day. Felt nice. Can't wait for the next one. So that's 2 days in a row now because we trained our shoulders yesterday. And another nice thing was that the rear delts had a little bit more work to do today with the help of all the other back muscles, because for example with the dead barbell row, the rear delts would have been firing as well, but mainly the lats. Anywho, still some good extra load for the rear delts. I won't be able to go to rugby training until next week. As I mentioned in the previous video, we are a bit busy at the church, so I'm not going to be able to go down to rugby training on Tuesday or Thursday this week, which means I will have to wait until next week to show you the club, show you the people, show you what it's like to do some rugby training. With that in mind, I think I need to do another running session soon, sometime, somewhere. Gotta get some high intensity lung burners, heart burners. Gotta get it in, because those are fun, aren't they? Well, that's it for this session. Happy I got here. Always nice to win a battle inside my mind, a battle where one side of me wants to relax and not train, while the other side is trying to stay disciplined. So we got the war going on between discipline and relaxing. That's not to say that you can't do both. Of course you can have the discipline and relax, but you need to make sure that you get your work in first. So we've done that. Now we can go home, rest up, get ready for the next day, as always. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for more.